Construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral JUMP. JU is equal to 3.5 cm. UM is equal to 4 cm. MB is equal to 5 cm. PJ is equal to 4.5 cm. And PU is equal to 6.5 cm.
Solution. Steps of construction. 1. Draw a line segment PU is equal to 6.5 cm. Number 2. Take P as center and cut off an arc of radius 4.5 cm. Number 3. Take U as center and cut off another arc of radius 3.5 cm. Number 4. Let these two arcs intersect at point J. Join PJ and UJ. You have a triangle PJU. Similarly, obtain the point M on the opposite side of diagonal PU. Hence, this is the required quadrilateral JUMP.